Hello again. We already made 2 balloon swords. I have a bow and arrow from our first video. Please recommend Clown Action.
Pump up your 260 mocha brown balloon. Tie the knot. And leave a 5-finger tail. Make 2 pinch twists. And in around 60 centimeters, make another 2 pinch twists. Cut the tail and tie a knot. Now, pump up your chocolate brown 260 balloon. Tie the knot. Make 1 pinch twist. Then, find the midpoint of the mocha brown balloon, and a little to the left, use the chocolate brown balloon to make a loop twist around it. Make a 5-centimeter bubble, and make another pinch twist. Then, make another loop twist around the mocha brown balloon. Cut the rest and tie a knot. Now for the string, use any long scrap balloon. Tie it to one end of the pinch twist, and tie the other end to the other pinch twist. And the bow is complete. Now, pump up your silver chrome 260 balloon, about 50 centimeters. Tie the knot. And make 2 pinch twists. And your arrow is complete. Let's see how this bow and arrow works. Place the string of the bow in between the 2 pinch twists. Place the tip of the arrow between the loop twists of the bow. Pull the arrow back, aim at your target, and release.
Alright, it's my turn! Put the string of the bow between the 2 pin twists. The tip of the arrow goes between the loop twists of the bow. Pull the arrow back, aim at the target, and shoot!
Oh, thank you. Let me try. Ready? Fire! If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you. Bye-bye.